Hey guys, it's Alexis. I know a lot of people are at home right now and wondering what they can make from their fridge and their pantry. I'm here to help. There's so many great options that you probably have at home that you don't even know about. Today, I'm gonna help my friend Destiny use what she has at home to make a great unexpected meal. Let's get started. Hi Destiny, how are you doing?
Oh, I'm really excited about what we're gonna make today.
Me too.
I have a bunch of random things, and I really wanted to see like what I could make. Now that we're kind of have a lot more time on our hands and are at home, I'm like really interested in learning new recipes to kind of add to my shuffle.
Can you walk me through your kitchen and show me what you've got?
Yeah, for sure. Let's start with my fridge.
Perfect.
So we've got some tofu. Back there is some veggie broth. Got lots of pickles. Oh, I have some pesto.
Ooh, yum.
I've got some asparagus, some cilantro, an onion.
Oh, awesome.
And here we've got some green beans and some lettuce. And then I have sauces and dressing. Ginger, sriracha, of course. We've got some hoisin sauce.
Okay.
I've got a lot of frozen fruit.
Wait, is that frozen? Sorry, frozen avocado? Is that a thing?
Yeah, it's for smoothies. Some frozen corn. We've got broccoli, and then also some frozen asparagus that I forgot about. And brown rice. Wow, I have a lot of stuff.
Oh my god, you are set.
And my pantry, quote unquote, I have a lot of noodles. So we have some rice noodles. I've got some spaghetti, some penne pasta. We've got black beans. That's kind of like the bulk of my pantry and what I've got going on.
Cool. I'm guessing you have olive oil.
I do.
Okay, great start. And then do you also have garlic?
Ooh, I think so. Let me check. Because I suck at like cutting garlic, I have like this stuff.
Do you have anything like coconut milk?
Oh, wait, I think I do. I've got some coconut milk.
Amazing. Okay, awesome. Great. And do you have curry paste by any chance?
I don't have curry paste, but I do have these like curry cubes that like melt into the dish.
That would totally work.
This is like all such random food that I've had forever.
You have so much food. This is amazing. I feel like there's so many different directions we could go. We could make a tofu curry with a bunch of vegetables and serve it over those rice noodles. We could make a veggie fried rice. We could also do something like a really simple pasta. I feel like the vegetables are going to be the real stars here.
Oh god, now I need to think. I love pasta and that's such a staple. So I think it'd be really fun to try to make like a fun veggie pasta.
Totally. Okay, Destiny, I've got your list ready for you. For this recipe, you're gonna need pasta, olive oil, onion, garlic, pesto, fresh asparagus, fresh green beans, frozen broccoli, veggie broth, and of course salt and pepper. Okay, it looks like you have everything you need, so let's get cooking.
Let's do it.
A few things are going to happen at the same time, but we're going to go step by step. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. And we're also going to add like a few good pinches of salt to the pot.
Oh, okay.
So salting your pasta water is just going to flavor the noodles. Keep going. Oh, way more.
Oh, way more. Okay.
Way more. That's good. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is get another pot and add the veggie broth to it. So we're actually going to cook the vegetables in the veggie broth, again, just to add more flavor.
Awesome. Pot number 2.
Do you think the spaghetti will fit in the pot that it's in right now?
You know, I had that same thought.
I think I might swap them.
Perfect.
I love it. So now you can add the veggie broth to the smaller pot.
And how much broth should I add?
You want to leave like at least an inch at the top. You know, hopefully it can be the whole thing. Perfect. I feel like I'm there.
Yay, I love that.
You can also set that pan over medium-high heat.
Maybe like...
Yeah, that's perfect. And again, we're gonna add some salt to the veggie broth.
So much salt.
I know, but it's really like infusing the vegetables with flavor.
Well, that's great. I mean, I love flavor, so I'm not mad.
That's good. So the next thing we're gonna do is trim the green beans and then chopping them into like 2-inch pieces.
I suck at chopping things, so I'm gonna need you to walk me through.
Totally.
Show me.
Okay, so just like snap off just that little end part.
Can you see my cutting?
I cannot, but I can hear it.
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
It's so tiny, like in the little corner of my phone. I can't see it. Okay, so cut the ends off.
Can you hold a bean up to me? Okay, let's cut them into like, maybe just halves. Instead of cutting it straight like this, you're gonna just cut it like on a diagonal. Does that make sense?
I think so. Just
that feels like a TikTok dance. Oh yeah, you got it. It's such an easy little thing to just like make it a tiny bit prettier.
I like that. I want to start cutting on the diagonal more often.
Green beans done.
Yes, green beans done. Oh, sorry, that's my face. I wanted to show you this.
And you can grab that bunch of asparagus. So the ends of it are like these woody, tough ends that you don't want to eat. So hold one asparagus up towards the bottom and then just snap it.
Oh, just snap it.
So it's a really good trick to know like where to trim it.
That's such a good tip. I usually just guess.
Make that same bias cut on the asparagus.
So let's see. Like that?
Beautiful. Look at that.
Ugh, I'm a chef.
You're a chef. Is the water boiling and is the veggie broth boiling?
Yes, actually.
So first, put the pasta into the pot of boiling water.
Should I use the whole box, half a box?
Let's use half a box.
Question. Spaghetti or penne? Does it matter what kind of pasta?
I mean, it doesn't really matter, but I think for this, let's use spaghetti.
Okay, wow, I'm like struggling. How do you use a phone? Someone show me. Can you see? Okay.
Is that half?
That's a little less. Let me grab some more.
No. I think that looks perfect.
Oh, okay, perfect.
Check out the cooking time on the box.
10 minutes.
10 minutes, perfect. So set your timer for 10 minutes.
Let's do it on the watch.
As soon as that pasta cooks down a bit, we can shove the rest in.
Okay.
Now to the veggie broth. I hope this all fits in there. You're gonna add the green beans and asparagus to the veggie broth.
Oh boy. Okay, let's try.
So far, so good. And then also about a cup of the frozen broccoli.
Okay. Oh, we got freezer burn.
You know what? We're pivoting. Pivot. Ooh. Destiny, push that pasta down into the water. Yeah, nice. And then the vegetable, set a timer for 2 minutes on your stove.
I've also never done that before. Wow, all these things. Timer. 2 minutes. I'm not sure if I'm doing my timer or changing the time on my stove.
You know what? I'm going to keep track on my clock here. But
Great.
You can get a colander and put it in the sink.
Okay, perfect. Got the colander in the
You
sink.
already got a colander. Okay. I want the vegetables to still be bright and crunchy, but cooked. Cooking time, we're going to see about it. It might need another minute. Can you take a piece of asparagus out and just bite it to see how tender it is?
Sure, I can do that. Got one.
Does it feel like it needs to be cooked longer?
I'd say maybe another minute or two. Like just
Another
a little
minute.
bit. Yeah.
Okay, cool. You can just put that back in the pot since it's just you eating
It's just
it.
me.
While we give this another minute, you can trim the ends off the onion.
I will say, disclaimer, this is an onion I've used previously, so it's already
That's fine. Oh my god, half an onion. This is the ultimate pantry pasta. So set the onion on the flat side down.
Flat side down.
Yep. That's going to help it secure to the cutting board and be way safer when you're cutting it.
Awesome.
You're going to trim off that nubby end. That's a perfect spot to cut it. And then turn it around and trim that side off too. And now just peel the outer layer off. Perfect. Okay, actually now we're going back to the vegetables.
Oh, what are we going to do with them?
We're going to drain the vegetables in the colander in the sink.
Got it.
I like that I'm saying we as if I'm there.
You are. You're basically here. Okay, so these bad boys into the colander we go.
Run your cold water over the vegetables, and this is just going to stop them from cooking. And just like, make sure. Yeah. And how much time is on for the pasta?
I have 2 minutes left.
Okay, perfect. Actually, give the pasta a stir just to make sure the noodles aren't sticking together.
Oh, awesome.
Back to the onion.
Back to the onion.
I'm just going to have you thinly slice the onion. So hold one of the ends that you trimmed off.
Like this? Like this?
Yep. Grip it down on the other side and then start slicing. Yep, exactly. And just watch your hands.
I feel so chef-like.
You are.
Also, any tips for not cutting my fingers off?
Yes, you really want to make it claw with your fingers. I would say stop chopping. You can save that onion for later. And how much time is left on the pasta?
It is now time.
Okay, before you drain it, Do you have like a glass measuring cup?
I do not. I only have like the scoop.
That's fine. So take one of those,
Okay.
like about a half cup.
Okay.
And fill it with the pasta water.
Ooh, I see this a lot. I've never done it.
First time for everything. You're gonna just leave that off to the side. Chefs call it like liquid gold because it helps pasta sauces come together, makes them smoother, makes the sauce cling to the noodles.
Cling to the noodles.
And now you can drain the pasta.
I'm gonna take you with me. Actually, I can't because it's a big pot. Okay.
Okay, beautiful. So just give that a shake and put it back in the pot.
Okay, I'm like dripping.
That's okay. And then give a good glug of olive oil. I'll tell you when. How about that?
Okay. I don't know if you can see. There you go.
Little more? Yep. And now stop. And then just toss it. It'll help them not stick together. Yeah. Nice. Okay, we're almost done. Bear with me.
Okay.
Do you have a large pan, like a large frying pan?
Wait, like how big? Like big or like big?
Big. Like you could cook 2 eggs in it.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So now add like about a tablespoon
Of oil?
to that. You don't have to measure it out. I can just tell you.
Tell me when to stop.
Keep going. Good. And set the pan over medium-high heat. One trick to tell when the oil is hot is when the oil starts to shimmer on the top. It'll probably take about a minute.
You can't tell.
It's hard to tell on a tiny, tiny screen. When you put your hand like right over it without touching it, obviously, how does it feel?
Pretty warm.
Pretty warm. Okay. You can add the onions to the pan.
This is a lot of onion.
It's gonna cook down.
Okay. That sound.
That sound. We're not gonna like fully caramelize these onions, but I just want to cook them down a bit so that they get that kind of sweet umami flavor.
Interesting. They smell good.
See how they're like beginning to get kind of golden brown?
Yeah.
We want them all to be golden brown.
Oh, right.
And then you can stop stirring for a minute. I always tell my boyfriend this. He loves to like stir things obsessively, and I'm like, you gotta let it cook.
Yeah, I'm the same. I love to just like
I know,
cook.
it's like, it's soothing, right? I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Let me see the onions now.
They're getting a little crispy.
Okay, now give them a stir. And we're still gonna let them go a bit longer. Just trust me.
I mean, you're the chef. I do trust you.
Okay, I also know that you think this is a lot of salt, but just add like a sprinkle of salt on the onions.
You're trying to have my blood pressure.
Just flavor. And then what you can do while you let those onions go is get a little spoon for the garlic.
My kitchen is a mess.
Oh my god, and the tasty cookbook!
Oh, yeah.
Wow, I love it. So you're gonna fill up like half the spoon with garlic.
Okay.
A little less than that. Yeah, perfect. Add them to the onions and give it a stir. Nice. That's the sound.
That's the sound. Oh, it smells so good.
So when you're cooking garlic, you basically want to cook it for like a minute, just until it becomes like really aromatic. If you go longer than that, the garlic will burn. And
Oh.
like, you know, burnt garlic isn't like the flavor we're after here.
No, we're not going for that.
So what we're gonna do now is going to add that onion garlic mixture to the pasta. Nice. And now we're gonna add all these vegetables in. You're gonna get that pesto and a spoon.
Sorry, I gotta put you down so I can.
So,
Got my pesto.
got your pesto. I'm gonna say you want to add about a quarter of the container, and let me see how much that is.
Get some dollops.
Beautiful. Okay. Now you're gonna take some of that pasta water and add just a little bit of pasta water. Yep,
Just like a splash.
a splash, another splash.
Okay.
And now toss everything together. You can see how it's helping the pesto really like spread out.
Yeah, that's great. I feel like with pesto or thicker sauces, sometimes it doesn't always spread evenly. So it's nice to know.
Exactly. And I would add just like, I would add a little more salt. I mean, you can taste it. I would add some like salt and pepper to taste. Love it. And then just toss it again to make sure the salt and pepper goes all over. Destiny, you're done. You made lunch.
Yay!
Yay!
This looks so good. I'm so excited to try this.
Moment of truth. I can't wait to hear what you think. I hope you like it.
I'm really excited. It's like really pretty. I got a big old forkful. Excuse my eating face. So good.
Oh my god, I'm so jealous.
Okay, let me stop eating. It's literally so good.
I'm so glad.
Thank you so much. Like, I'm probably gonna add this to my rotation now because it was so easy to make.
It was my pleasure. I mean, this was so fun. I just want to help people make great food.
Well, thank you.
That was so fun. I'm a bit jealous of Destiny's lunch, but I'm so happy I got to help her, inspire her, and teach her a few new things about cooking. I'd love to know what you're making at home, and if you have been cooking alongside your friends and family using, all our technology, and how you're getting creative.